Some sentence don't change your language. They change your life. Today I will teach you 5 powerful idioms that will change the way you think, the way you speak, the way you act. Hello everyone. I am Pragna from Pragna Patel Easy Speak English channel. આજે આપણે શીખીશું 5 inspirational idioms with easy English and clear Gujarati meaning and real life examples. Let's begin. Idiom number 1. Where there is a will, there is a way. If you are determined, you can achieve anything. જ્યાં ઈચ્છા શક્તિ હોય ત્યાં રસ્તો મળી જાય છે. Let's understand with example. I had no money, no support, but where there is a will, there is a way. સમસ્યા ગમે એટલી મોટી હોય પણ જો મન હોય તો ઉકેલ મળી જાય છે. Use this idiom while motivation someone or yourself. Idiom number 2. Never give up. Don't stop trying. ક્યારે હાર ન માન. Let's see example. I failed many times, but I never give up. સફળ લોકો ક્યારે હાર નથી માનતા, તેઓ ઊભા થઈ જાય છે. Use this idiom in interviews, speeches and self-talk. Idiom number 2. Believe in yourself. Have confidence in your own abilities. પોતાની જાત પર વિશ્વાસ રાખો. Let's see an example. If you want success, first believe in yourself. જ્યારે તમે પોતે વિશ્વાસ રાખો ત્યારે દુનિયા આપમેળે માનવા લાગે. Say this before starting any challenge. Now last second number 4. Every cloud has a silver lining. Every bad situation has something good in it. દરેક મુશ્કેલીઓ પાછળ કંઈક ને કંઈક સારું છુપાયેલું હોય છે. Let's understand with example. I lost my job, but it helped me find my real passion. Every cloud has a silver lining. દુઃખ પાછળ સુખ છુપાયેલું હોય છે. Use this idiom when comforting someone. Now last one, number 5. The sky is the limit. There is no limit. What can you achieve? સફળતાની કોઈ સીમા નથી. Let's see an example. With hard work and confidence, the sky is limit. જો તમે પોતાને રોકશો નહીં તો ખૂબ જ આગળ વધશો. This is perfect for dreams, goals and success talk. Guys, English is not just a language. It's a confidence tool. When you change your words, you change your life. Friends, don't memorize English. Feel it. Use these 5 idioms in your daily life and see how your confidence grows naturally. Write in comment which idiom touches your heart. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.